Right guys, this is the second part of the video. This is where I'll show you how to use the expression encoder in actual fact. Okay, so basically once you've installed it, and then what you do is, I'll show you what it will appear on your tile if you have the tiles. If not, on your desktop it should appear, or your menu. You should be able to find it as you would normally find another program, or you can type in the search box Microsoft Expression Encoder 4, maybe screen capture as well, include in that search, because that's the full name for it. Anyway, so this is what it will look like here, as you can see here. So from there on, you click on it and then it will give you options to basically record video or audio, or just capture screen. So we will just keep it normal, like capture screen, and nothing else really apart from that. So once you start clicking, they give you a choice. Well, it gives you the screen adjust size adjusting option, so adjust to your need, and then record. Once you start recording, then once you've done your job, then you might have to, if it's a full screen, you may have to press Control Shift F12. That will basically end the program, well, stop the recording. Then thereafter, what you need to do is click Send to Encoder. Okay, and this is what it will look like here, as you can see. Okay, so here I've done something earlier in another program that I was trying to encode. Anyway, so what you need to do, this is the fundamental bit, is that you need to make sure that you go on right, let's start from the beginning. So quality, make sure it's best quality, right? Once you've done that, then what we do is we'll go on under here, you see WMV. The reason why you need to go under WMV, if you're not in WMV, then you may not be able to upload it to YouTube, or what you might get is that the other files formats will mean that quality is not as good and it may take longer. So this is the best option. VC1 Xbox 360 HD 1080p. Right, double click that, done, apply, done. Once you've done that, then on the encoder bit, just make sure that it's Windows. Actually leave that bit, that should be standard. Then go here, somewhere here, video. In the video section, click on, make sure that's selected, mode CBR1 pass. Okay, that's the one that's going to give you the best choice, best means to upload your program on YouTube. That's it really. Once you've done that, select the file that you want here. At times you may get more than one, but select the one you want. Either you can right click and then select encode selected item, or what you may want to do is just click here, encode, and that will do the trick. Once you start pressing encode, this is what's gonna happen. It starts loading. Okay, so that takes ages. Once that's finished, if you are like me, then you may do this, save as, and then try to open that file wherever you saved it. That you'll find that when you do that, that may not work, and it's not very successful. It took me ages to work out and figure out how to do this. So what I did is I went on my, well, depends on what Windows you guys have, but generally click on this one, will take you to your documents. From there, click on documents, expression, and the expression encoder, then output. Okay, and from here it'll give you a choice between, well, you'll have the list of your work, and look at the time and date you worked on, and then that's where your file should be placed. Then you get this, enter the one, double click, and happy days. There you go, that's how it works. So when you load in your YouTube account, make sure you do the same thing. Make sure you find it this way. Don't try to load the file you saved, or job that you saved, because that's not going to work. Save jobs, yeah, save job, that's not going to work. That's going to take ages, and it's probably going to waste your time. So if you've experienced this problem, now you know how to sort this out. Great stuff. Hope you find it beneficial. Take care.